More than 20 KDL branches in Kent County are closed due to what the library system says is a computer network outage that started last week. Cherry Health, with 20-plus locations across the state, is also dealing with technology issues affecting their phone lines. 13 on your side's Michael Martin spent several days trying to find out what's going on. He joins us now live with what he learned.
Elena, Juliet, good evening. The reality of the situation is that both KDL and Cherry Health are not sharing a lot of information about what's going on right now. We know that they are experiencing technical issues. That's what they've said out front. So we turn to a cybersecurity expert to learn a little bit about what they might be facing.
We are seeing record numbers of attacks from all sorts of predator groups.
A week ago on April 20th, 13 on your side received an anonymous tip saying Cherry Health was experiencing a ransomware attack. We reached out to the PR agency listed on its website, but they were unable to comment at the time. Cherry Health wouldn't comment when we checked in days later, and again Monday. They declined to comment or elaborate on their tech issues whatsoever.
A ransomware attack is a malicious payload that is being executed in your environment that is going to encrypt your files and then hold it for ransom in exchange for money.
In February of 2024, Cherry Health reported their system was hacked with data from over 180,000 patients stolen, names, social security numbers, personal medical info.
None of your files will actually be able to be executed. Anytime you try to open a Word or a PDF file, Adobe, Microsoft, whatever your application is, will show up as, we can't open this file.
And Monday, all 20-plus branches, part of KDL, were closed for a fourth day.
They're saying, we've impacted your network, we've stolen your data, reach out to us, so that way we can be able to start a discussion on, decrypting and not leaking your potential sensitive information onto the dark web for other people to have.
Signs hanging up reading, all KDL locations are closed today due to tech issues. Those sources in the library system who asked not to be ID'd say those issues involve a cyber attack.
Everybody is going to believe that this is a very personal attack on them, and unfortunately, 9 times out of 10, this is just a crime of opportunity.
Now, there are different laws about who organizations, businesses, hospitals have to report data breaches to. In Michigan, they don't have to report things like this, a data breach, to the Attorney General's office, but health systems like Cherry Health will have to notify patients who are impacted within a reasonable amount of time. They also have to report it to the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, who will then list that info publicly. For now, live in Kent County, Michael Martin, 13 on your side.